Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting trick where you will learn to find the square of two-digit number having 5 at unit place. So when I say the square of two-digit number having 5 at unit place, what does that mean? It means I am talking about this to find the square of 15, then 25, 35 square. Similarly, we can find square of 45, 55 square, 65 square, then you have 75 square, 85 square and 95 square. This is going to be very interesting as we are going to find the square of these numbers in a fraction of seconds. So what we do, if I say 45 square, right, that means you have to multiply 45 by 45, right? So what we do a traditional method to calculate the square of the number, which is 5 5s are 25, then you put 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 gives you 22, 4 5s are 20, then you put again 2 carry, 4 4s are 16 and 8, and if you add you get 8 plus 2 10 and 2025. So this is how you do the square of 45 with the traditional method where we have multiplied two-digit multiplication by a two-digit number. In today's session, I am going to teach you a very interesting trick with which you will be able to write the squares of all the numbers which you can see on the screen in just 1 second. So let's learn the trick. Okay, so what you have to do in this trick, 15 square is the first number where you have 5 at unit place. So the square of 5 is 25. And this number which is at tens place, this is your unit place, this is your tens place. Multiply it with the next number. So what is next after 1? 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So the square of 15 is 225. If I take another number, say 25 square. Again 25 is fixed, which is the square of 5. And what is next to 2? 3. And 2 3s are is 6. 625. Now 35 square. Again what we will be doing, 5 at unit place, its square is 25. You have 3 at the unit place and the number next to 3 is 4. 3 4s are 12. It is so easy. You can write the squares of these numbers very quickly. Let's see next. If you have a number say 45, which we have calculated with the traditional method. So 5, 25 and then the next digit 4 to is 5. 4 5s are 20. So just write 20 here. 55 square, again you have 5 at unit place, so 25. And then this 5 to be multiplied with the next digit, which is 6. 5 6 are 30. Then you have 65 square. Again you write 25 here and 6. Next digit to 6 is 7. 6 7s are 42. I told you in my previous sessions also that it is very important that everybody should learn tables till 9 at least. And then again 5 5s are 25, then 7 8s are 56. 85 square, 5 5s are 25, and then you multiply this 8 with 9, that's the next digit, 8 9s are 72. And let's see the last number, that is 95 square. Again 5 square is 25, and then you have to multiply 9 with 10, 9 10s are is 90. So this is how we do the square of all the numbers. Let's write it quickly. 15 square, 5 5s are 25 and 1 into 2 is 2. Then 25 square, 25 is fixed and 2 3s are is 6. Let's do 35 square. Again 5 5s are 25 and 3 4s are is 12. So very soon you will be able to do it mentally also. 5 5s are 25 and 4 5s are 20. Let's do 55 square, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. 65 square, let's do it. 6 7s are 42 and 25 is fixed with all the numbers. 75 square, 7 8s are 56 and 25. 85 square, 8 9s are 72 and 25. Then you have 95 square, which gives you 9 10s are 90 and 25. So isn't it simple? Try these numbers. In my next video, I will be teaching you to find the squares of any number till 100 in a fraction of second. Till then, keep practicing math and enjoy the trick. Have a good day.